Hi guys, this is Rupak who has his driving test coming up in 1 week. He's currently learning in an automatic car and will be taking his test in an automatic. He wanted a mock test with me, but unfortunately I couldn't get hold of an automatic car for the day of this mock test, so I kindly agreed to attempt the mock test in a manual in my manual car. He made an interesting session and my clutch and gears just about lived to tell the tale. And because his real test is just 1 week away, his test result is revealed at the end of this video.
So move off whenever you're ready, please. Okay, your head restraint's a little bit high. It needs to be a bit low. There's a button on the side here. So you know, if you look forward, that's it. Now put your left hand finger there and push it down a bit with it. No, down. That's it there. Perfect. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. That's it there. That's perfect. Okay?
Yeah.
Right. Move off whenever you're ready.
He hadn't used an electronic parking brake before, so it took him a bit of getting used to. This won't be an issue for his actual test because he won't be taking his test in this car.
Yeah, the car's on. I've left it on so the AC stayed on.
Oh, do you need to release this one?
Yeah, so put into neutral to restart the car. That's it. So you know, cancel signal. It's got an electronic parking brake here. So as soon as you press the accelerator, the brake will switch off. Okay. So there you were trying to move, but you had no acceleration there. Okay. Don't worry. Try again. Press the brake though. Okay, cancel your signal. Okay, put the handbrake back up. Now, get the biting point for me. That's it. Now, when you want to move, press the gas. Okay, have a look. Is it safe? Yeah. Press the gas first. Go on. Press the gas. Don't bring the clutch any higher. That's it. Good. Yeah. So that's it. You need to press the gas with your tail left here. The end of the road, turn right.
At this junction, his observations could have been better. Our view was obstructed, and in a situation like this, the examiner wants to see you making an effort. Lean your body forward and really look out for approaching vehicles. He was a bit too laid back here, and at one point I thought he was about to pull out, but he stops just in time.
Park up anywhere safe on the left, please.
He parks up well using the mirror signal maneuver routine in the correct order, but I could sense the nerves.
Thank you. Are you feeling?
A bit nervous.
Don't worry, that's normal. Okay, just getting used to the car. Right, move off when you're ready.
He attempts to move off without selecting first gear. Again, this sort of thing won't really happen in the automatic car. His general observations and mirror checks were good throughout this mock test. Since moving off and getting into second gear, Rupak doesn't move into third. He remains in second gear, and this happened for most of the mock test. He only selected third gear once throughout the whole test. Again, this kind of fault with the gear changes won't happen in the automatic car. After stopping at these lights, Rupak forgets to select first gear. This would have resulted in a serious fault as he would have stalled and held up the traffic behind.
Okay, Rupak, you know here, yeah? You're in which gear?
Number 1.
That's it. What would have happened there?
Stop.
Yeah. So he helped you out with that because obviously you're going to be driving an automatic anyway, yeah, in your test. I see, that was good with the gas. Yeah, that's how you need to use it when you move, okay? At the traffic lights, turn left, please.
Now this is a fault that has nothing to do with the car being manual or automatic.
Allowed to go.
Yeah, okay, go. Steady. What colour was the light?
Sorry.
What colour was the light?
It was green, but I think it was showing the arrow.
Yeah, the arrow was there for you as well before. Yeah. At this roundabout, go straight ahead, please.
Okay, straight out, second exit.
His approach and positioning at roundabouts was good. On this carriageway, Rupak stays in second gear. You have to feel sorry for my car. If you're learning to drive and want to save time on lessons and learn quicker, then download my ultimate driving course. Every single one of my learners uses it, which means they enter the car knowing exactly what to do so we can get straight into practicing and spend less time parked up. It's got every topic required to pass the driving test. Again, his positioning and observations on this roundabout were really good, but you can hear my car screaming as it remains in first gear. Now when you press the clutch pedal down, it doesn't have to be slow, gentle or smooth. You can just push it straight down. It's only when you bring it up that it needs to be smooth. Since Rupak isn't used to using the clutch pedal, he kept pressing it down really slowly, which caused him to stall quite a bit. I helped him out with this shortly. And if you could park up anywhere safe on the left, please. Okay, and move off when you're ready, please. And at this mini roundabout, turn left, please. On this roundabout, he struggles to select the gear and doesn't press the clutch pedal fully down. While doing this, he almost stops and slows down the traffic behind him. Okay, you need to put the clutch down, yeah, to change your gear. Rupak positions well in the safe area at this right turn, allowing the vehicles behind to pass. This is where I started to help him with the clutch. Clutch down all the way. That's it. So when you stop on that, put the clutch down a bit sooner. Which gear?
Okay, we're going to do the reverse parallel parking maneuver here now. Yeah? So park up next to this car. Yeah? And then park nice and close to the curb. Yeah, when you finish, you can leave more space in this. And come back a bit more, okay? Yeah, don't worry about blocking the driveway. Okay, you can do the maneuver. Whenever you're ready. See?
This maneuver wasn't too bad at all. His observations, as they've been throughout the drive, were really good, and his speed was nice and steady. But his finishing position could have been better. The car was slightly angled, and Rupak knew it wasn't quite right, but he decided not to correct it. Overall though, good.
Okay. You happy with it?
I think.
Yes, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Move off then when you're ready. Okay, let's quickly talk about this. Look, how do you think it is? Is it totally straight or?
I think it's a bit.
I said yes. Yeah. So all you have to do was like get reverse gear again. Yeah. And come off the brake. Okay, don't bring the clutch up too high. Press the gas gently. Don't bring the clutch high. Put the clutch down. Brake. Steer to the right now. To the right. That's it. Just that much. Good. And keep coming back. Press the brake and stop. Stop. That's it. That's all you have to do. See, straight now, isn't it? Okay, but if you're not sure, you can go forward and then come back again as well if you need to. Okay. Right, move off when you're ready. Okay, now we're gonna carry out the emergency stop, yeah?
Sorry.
Emergency stop.
Emergency stop. Okay.
Have you done that before?
No.
You gonna give it a go?
Yeah.
Yeah? So we're gonna put my hand up and say stop, yeah? Just stop the car, okay? We'll do it in a bit, carry on, keep going.
As he has just told us, he's never done an emergency stop before, so I'm not going to mark this down. But this is one of the smoothest and nicest emergency stops you'll ever see.
Stop. And move off when you're ready. And at the end of the road, turn left, please. So you know when you do that, you need to brake a lot more harder. Okay, that was too soft. It's probably one of the smoothest emergency stops I've seen. This is one thing that doesn't need to be smooth, okay? Yeah?
It was my first time.
Should we try it again? Okay, get second gear for me. A bit more speed. Press it harder this time. And press the clutch down with it as well. A bit more gas. Stop! That's better. Good. Okay, you forgot the clutch, but not an issue. Okay, and move off when you're ready. That's it, good checks. That's it, good with it.
He was eager to go here, but then realizes the roundabout is controlled by traffic lights. His lane discipline at roundabouts has been really good throughout, but on this one he starts to drift to the right instead of keeping to the left. Keep to the left, keep to the left. Guys, this was the moment Rupak finally selects third gear. That's the end of the test, and Rupak knew exactly how it went. But listen to what happened on his real test just a week later.
Yeah, you can take your feet off and relax your feet. Okay, how do you think that went?
Bad.
Okay, obviously if you was... Look, I'm not looking at the faults that are with the clutch and gear. Yeah, don't worry about them because that's not going to happen on your test, yeah? Okay, but there were some faults that had nothing to do with the gear or the clutch.
After this mock test, one of our experienced automatic instructors, Ranj, agreed to take Rupak for his driving test and give him a few lessons in the short time they had. Ranj is also on social media and he makes really helpful videos for learner drivers on YouTube and other social media platforms, so please check him out. Here's the test result, guys. Both Ranj and Rupak work hard together and achieved that first time pass. Well done to both.